So what was the sexiest medieval helmet? Well, one which could take all the marbles is the Sallet, an absolute wet dream which began appearing in Europe towards the early 15th century. We get our first mention of the Sallet in Italy in 1407, and it's an evolution of the bassinet helm which removed the visor and chainmail aventail in order to offer something more lightweight with better vision. However, the removal of these two things now left you horribly exposed to a blade striking your helmet and deflecting onto your neck and shoulders, or just a giant member penetrating your face. So the Sallet, the base of it was curved to deflect blows away from you better, and the cheek sides were brought in closer to offer more facial protection. And we can see an extreme version of this evolution in the barbute helm, which has the facial protection to the max, resembling the Corinthian helmets of old. While the open face Sallet did offer a great option for those who required more battlefield vision such as archers, one which catered to more heavily armoured people did start appearing in Germany in the mid 15th century. Its most defining feature was this lobster tail of a neckpiece which became more pronounced over time, because with the improvement in armour articulation and strength, less and less mail armour was being used on the wearer, so this overlapped the plate pieces to offer that added bit of protection. The German Sallet though only came down to the midway point in your face, so it was often paired with a gorget which covered the neck and the remaining part of the face, known as a beaver, coming from the French word meaning to dribble. And what's fantastic about this wombo combo is this plate piece didn't require any extra ventilation holes in order to breathe, which often weakened other helmets, as this gap here offered natural ventilation, and its only weakness was if someone was right up close to you with a dagger shanking you in the face, and at that point any helmet you had on you would be dead anyway. Variations of the Sallet did start appearing across Europe, such as the Burgundian English style, which retained the conical elements of the bassinet while adding the curve of the Sallet. Unfortunately for our Sallet, its time in the limelight only lasted roughly 100 years, as with the improvement in metallurgy techniques, things such as the close helm became much more popular battlefield fashion.